In this video, we will learn how to create a Spring Boot application with a Spring Initializr in an easy way. First, we are going to visit Spring Initializr website. We can search for it. We can type Spring Initializr. And search for it. There is a spelling mistake, but Google corrected for us. Just gonna search for this. And now over here, we need to go to start.spring.io and click on it. And on this Spring Initializr page, you can see you have an option to select the project as a Maven project or a Gradle project. I will go with the Maven. And over here, under the group, you can change this group name. This group name tells to which this group application belongs to. So I'm just going to rename it or change it to a sim code com dot sim code. And the artifact is the demo, and I will keep this one. And if you want to see more option, you just click on this option link. And need to scroll down a bit so you can see all those information, such as name and the description of the project and the package name. And also you can select the packaging mode that you want in a jar file your application or as a war file. War file is mostly used for the web application. In the jar file, we will also have a web server too, so we can execute our application. I will go with a jar file for now, and there is also an option where you can select Java version. I will go with the 8. And if you want this, scroll down more. You can see over here dependency option over here. You can add dependency to add more functionalities to your Spring project. I will leave it without adding any new one, and just click on generate over here. We just want to keep it simple for now. And you can see it started downloading. I just click on twice, so it downloaded twice. So this way you can generate a Spring Boot application with the Initializr easily. In our other video, we are going to look at how to import this application to IDE of our choice. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Same Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.